Hey guys, are you ready for a game-changing secret that's going to completely transform your online income? What if I told you there's a groundbreaking AI bot that can generate a jaw-dropping $700 a day in passive income? And the best part, it's completely free. In today's video, I'll be revealing the exact method to help you profit with this revolutionary bot. Make sure to stay tuned and don't miss any crucial information on making money. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future videos packed with money-making tips. Picture this. Every day you wake up to a bank account brimming with money, and you haven't even lifted a finger. It seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Not anymore. In 2023, an innovative AI bot called Panel Stars is transforming the way we generate income online. With its state-of-the-art technology and robust algorithms, this AI bot can yield an impressive $660 a day in passive income completely free. Panel Stars is a platform offering affordable social media marketing services, including Instagram followers, likes, views, comments, and so much more. It's the perfect solution for anyone aiming to expand their social media reach or execute a social media marketing campaign. Surprisingly, there's no catch. Panel Stars is a legitimate platform that provides authentic followers and likes with no bots, fake accounts, spam, or risk to your social media account. Now let's dive into the tutorial and learn how to make money using Panel Stars. Step 1. Sign up for Panel Stars. Signing up for Panel Stars is incredibly quick and straightforward. Just visit panelstars.com, click on the sign up button, and provide basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After activating your account via the confirmation link sent to your email, log in to access the dashboard, where you can start choosing the social media services you want to purchase. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with Panel Stars. Before diving into reselling, it's essential to get familiar with Panel Stars and understand the services they offer. Spend some time navigating the dashboard, exploring the various social media services, and comparing prices. This knowledge will be valuable when you create your gigs on FIVERR and communicate with potential clients. Step 3. Create a gig on FIVERR. To leverage Panel Stars and generate additional income, acquire social media services from Panel Stars and resell them on FIVERR at a higher price for profit. If you're unfamiliar with FIVERR, it's a highly popular online marketplace where freelancers offer their services to clients worldwide. It's an ideal platform for anyone seeking to earn extra cash on the side or work as a full-time freelancer. Creating a gig on FIVERR is incredibly easy. First, create an account on the platform. Once you've done that, craft your gig by detailing the services you offer, pricing, and delivery time. Make sure to choose social media marketing as your category. Devise a captivating title and write a clear and informative description. Set the pricing for your gig 5 times higher than your cost on Panel Stars to maximize profit. Additionally, offer add-ons for your gig, such as faster delivery or more followers or likes, and set their prices accordingly. Step 4. Promote your FIVERR gig. With your FIVERR gig setup, it's time to promote it to attract potential clients. Share your gig on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Join relevant Facebook groups and online forums where you can share your gig with people who may be interested in your services. Reach out to friends, family, and acquaintances who might benefit from your social media marketing services or know someone who does. Promoting your gig will help increase its visibility and ultimately boost your sales. Step 5. Create a gig image using CANVA. To make your gig more appealing, use canva.com to create an eye-catching gig image. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating visually striking designs, even for those with limited graphic design experience. It's free to use and offers numerous templates, graphics, and fonts that help you create a design that reflects your brand and stand out. To create a gig image for your FIVERR gig, select a template with the appropriate size. FIVERR recommends using an image that's 690 by 426 pixels. Next, add text, images, and other elements to enhance your design. Include your gig title, a description of what you're offering, and any relevant images or graphics that help illustrate your services. Once satisfied with your design, download it and upload it to your FIVERR gig. A professional-looking gig image can attract more buyers and set you apart from other sellers on FIVERR. Step 6. Deliver quality service and build your reputation. As you start receiving orders on FIVERR, it's crucial to provide excellent service and fulfill orders promptly using Panel Stars. Maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction will lead to positive reviews, helping you build a solid reputation on the platform. As your reputation grows, so will your sales, allowing you to generate even more passive income. Step 7. Scale your business. Once you've established a steady stream of clients and have become comfortable with the process, consider scaling your business to increase your earnings. You can do this by offering additional services, targeting new social media platforms, or even creating a team to help manage your growing client base. Scaling your business can help you maximize your passive income potential. So there you have it, folks. The secret to making a staggering $600 a day in passive income using the innovative AI bot Panel Stars. By following these simple steps and leveraging the power of FIVERR, you can create a lucrative side hustle that helps others grow their social media presence while you enjoy a significant profit. I hope this information was valuable for you and feel inspired to launch your own side hustle. As always, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible money-making tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Check out other videos listed on the screen.